Welcome to the Points and Perks Show, where I show you how to stretch every dollar, maximize every perk, and turn everyday spending into everyday wins. My name is Jesus Vasquez, and I'm a finance enthusiast. I have spent the last couple of years optimizing my lifestyle to make the most out of my credit card perks, bonuses, miles, and points. I have used most of the most popular apps and hacks out there that save me money daily. In this channel, my goal is to break it all down so you can travel smarter, spend wiser, and unlock the rewards hiding in plain sight. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing what works for me. I expect you to do your own research. I want you to watch, learn, and use it to build your own playbook. But before it all, do your own research. Apart from that, welcome to my channel. If you're looking for the best tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Additionally, I put together a free private community for you to join the tribe. The link is down in the description below. But other than that, subscribe now, join the community, and start making your money work harder for you. This is Jesus signing in on the Points and Perks Show. Welcome.